Hey bus drivers, Ryan here from SmartTag. And this is how SmartTag works for your afternoon bus routes. Just like you did in the morning, you set up your routes on your tablet, perform your pre-trip inspection, and log your fuel and your mileage. As you leave transportation headed to your first school to pick up your students, Drive Mode tells you what time to arrive at the school. In the campus bus loop, students use their SmartTags as they board the bus. If a student does not have their SmartTag, you can find their name in the roster and manually load them. Just scroll down to find their name, tap Load next to their name, and then Confirm. Your tablet will notify you anytime a student that's not on your roster for the day tries to board your bus. For example, these students belong on my bus route. As they tag on, you get a green window and a friendly chime. But when this student tags on, we get what sounds like an error. It says wrong bus. Let's investigate. First, ask your student what bus they were told to ride. Oftentimes, the student will be new to the school or new to riding a school bus. You can check to see what bus they were assigned to here. In this case, it says he needs to ride bus 32. You may need to contact dispatch to get his proper bus route sorted out. As always, just follow your transportation's policy. Just know that you can choose to load or not load the student after you get the wrong bus warning. Once you load all your students and leave the bus loop, your tablet will show how many students should get off at your first drop-off stop. When you've arrived at a stop and secured your bus, students begin tagging off. You know the drill by now. The red countdown banner shows how many students you have left to unload at each of your stops. Gives you a loud warning sound and a red screen. You can tap the profile button to see her correct drop-off stop. As always, you have the option to override the warning and unload or keep the student on the bus. We call this warning the wrong stop warning. Let's take a look at another safety feature of SmartTag. Now that we've made it to this student's correct stop, she can tag off like normal. But because Esmeralda is a kindergartner, we're required to select which approved guardian is at her stop to receive her. Her guardian list has family members, as well as an option to type a guardian name manually, or select school district if we needed to take her back to her school. I'll select Mother and tap Release to Guardian. This unloads her from our roster. We have one student left to unload at this stop, but she forgot her SmartTag. Just tap Unload next to her name, and then Confirm. This is our last drop-off stop, and we've unloaded all of our students. Now we can head to the middle school to start our second route tier.